Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of around $28.540. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear U pattern is formed. After that there is a fall after making a half around $32.5. Okay, and this fall now it is trying to go upside. That means there is a clear pattern towards an upside. So if the price started going again above a level of 29.8, there will be higher chances that it can sustain this level, and yes, it can go towards 30.8 and then to a level of around 31.7. This is what we can see on the weekly chart. Okay, and if you look at this trend also, because see, as soon as the price started going upside, and this is a strong support of 29.8, if it sustain above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and now if you look at the trend from the first week of July, we have seen there is a downtrend, but only yesterday, only in the last week, we have seen that the price is trying to go upside after making a swing at a level of 27.3, which was a strong support. Okay, and suppose if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see, and from there a level of 26.3, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see below a level of 26. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, see, this is the zone where the price is moving. This particular chart trend, what we can see is towards an upside. Okay, if we go on a weekly basis, so if it sustain above level 29.5, then a further upside movement we can see. Then it can cross a level of $30 and then a further high. And as soon as the price started going above this level, we can see it will cross a level of $31. Okay, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay. See, coming on dollar index, see, as I've already explained you that dollar index is after going below a level of $104, there can be a further downfall. See, there is a sharp fall because even has come yesterday also. That is where we have seen there is a sharp fall in that, because there is a decline in the jobs. Okay, now if the price started sustaining this level, what we can see, as I've already explained you, 104 is a strong level. So you have to understand, if the price started going up this level, a further upside movement we can see for dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of silver. But if the price started keep falling below a level of 104, which is now trading at 103.2, so we can see there will be a further downfall and chances of crossing a level of 103 also we can see, and then it can go further fall. So if the dollar index started going further down, we can see the price of silver will go up. Okay, now coming back on the silver price, what we can see, now the silver price is trying to go higher, and for this week we have seen it is moving upside. So if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of $28.9. Okay, and if the price moving off this level, probability of going towards 29.2. Okay, this 29.2 is already being tested, so chances are high it will go towards $29.5. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 29.9. Okay, keeping that in mind, there is a higher chance of going towards a level of $30.2. Okay, because see, once the price started going above this level, we can see it will go towards a level of 30.8. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards $31.4. Okay, this $31.4 is already being tested here, so chances are high the price will go upside towards a level of 31.7. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 32.2. Okay, this 32.2 is a level which is already being at a higher side, second high, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there a level of 32.5. Okay, you have to keep it in mind, this is the zone. So if the price started going up this level, a further upside movement we can see, and then there will be a further upside. Okay, going on this level, what we can see, you have to understand, as soon as the price started going above a level of $31, there will be a further upside, and now the price is already being above this level. Okay, because see, above a level of 28.5. okay, so 29.3, which I have already explained you that this is, if this level sustain, we can see there will be a probability of crossing this level and then a further upside movement. Okay, Now if the price didn't sustain, see, because market is uncertain, as I've already explained you, so if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $27.5, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see below a level of 27.2. Okay, and because this level, if it didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards 26.6, and then a further fall we can see towards 26.3. Then because there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards 26, and if the price falling below this level, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if